Hi guys, for today we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Osmo Mobile 3. Let's get started. So now we're gonna take out the tape. You can just time lapse this, fast forward this thing. And here we'll find the Osmo 3. That's it. And another box. Mouse and a silica gel. In this box, we have a storage pouch. A wrist strap and power cable. A quick look at the pouch. It's like those pouches you use for your sunglasses or eyeglasses. The power cable is a USB-C cable. Now for this, God, the thing, it's folded now. The last one did fold. How do we unfold this thing? Do they have a manual? They don't have a manual. They don't have a manual. There's no manual. No manual. After a few minutes, I found the manual. So there is a manual. Ta-da! There's still some other things inside this box. This is what is this? A grip, maybe? Yeah, maybe. And one last thing. That looked properly earlier. It's a piece of paper that's got consumer law, not much. Oh. Now we'll plug in my phone. Now that we've got my phone, we're gonna try and put this thing in. Phone, camera, clip. Still the same. Thank you. If you haven't already, you'll need to install the DJI app. So this one, I'll install that thing. Continue. Skip the credit card, and we wait. Now that it's charging, switched it on. We hold the button to power it on, and then we turn on our Bluetooth, and then we look for that thing. And it'll have terms of use first. We'll agree to it, activate. Okay. You just need to do these things. Obtain Osmo device info, take that. Go next. Activate. Oh, Osmo, blah blah blah. Okay, I need to log in. Alright, now that we've reset the password, we'll log back in. Okay. Alright. loading slower now, so it's login success. Confirm account. I can just blur off my email. Confirm account info, blah blah blah, and then press activate. Activating, it'll show a loading sign, and oh, it's moving on its own. Is it moving on its own? Yeah, it's activating. While waiting for it, guys, you can see at the back there are steps as well, and how to fold and fold, how to basically start it. Okay, let's go back. Is it done? Okay. Okay, notice for beginners. Tilt the monitor and move the phone. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Tilt the monitor and move from left to right. Joystick to pen and top phone. When you do that, yeah, it's basically even. So same as the previous DJI Osmos. Use this thing. And press once. Take photo to stop recording. M button, press once. Switch between photo video mode, check when powered on, check battery level. Press twice, switch between landscape, portrait, press 3. Okay. Zoom slider. Oh, there's a zoom thing now. Oh, the trigger back here. Enter lock mode and release to exit lock mode. Press twice, it'll recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times, you can switch between the front and back cameras. Press once, it'll go into sport mode. And then you can release to exit. If you press and hold, you can enter lock mode and release to exit lock mode. Okay, and charge it, blah blah blah, and you're done. Ding! Boing! Oh, now it's downloading firmware. Oh, it's downloading. Device will restart. Oh, okay. So this is the joystick to move it, to tilt the DJI. This is the M button. It'll do a couple of things if you press it once, twice, thrice, or if you hold it. This is the record button. And at the back we got the trigger. This trigger right here, which recenters the gimbal. This is where you put in the USB-C, charge it, and there's also a thing here. Now, as you can see, there's actually a USB port that you can use to charge your phone while using the Osmo. We also have a mounting slot here at the bottom. Place to put in, let's say, a tripod, something else. So yeah, that's basically the 98%, 99. I don't know if that's fast internet. Oh, just made a sound. Oh, it says update success. Okay, done. Allow the things to do a thing. Allow the things to do its things. And we can start shooting. Okay, alright guys, we're gonna take the Osmo out for some scenic views. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and keeping up. with me.